Hi there, good morning. In an effort to try to expedite the process, and again, I apologize about the craziness that's happened with my son getting injured and stuff like that. I decided to go ahead and try to make a video, again, trying to adapt and showing my flexibility. This is my lovely assistant, Kala. She's 6 years old. She'll be attending second grade at Ashland Elementary School next year. So my lesson involves a watershed and authentic watershed experience. That's one of the mandates of the state of Virginia that is required for, I think, 4th and 5th grade students. So what we have here, if you can see back here in the background, what we have here, we have a little doggy, of course, that is super excited. But we also have a watershed. And what this is a parachute that has, this is a parachute. And what we're going to do here is we are going to create a watershed experience. So what we are going to do, we have two different colored golf balls. This one is purple. It's got purple chalk on it. This one represents rain. The purple one represents rain. And we have red colored golf balls, which represent pollution. So what's going to happen, or what we're going to do, is we're going to take the golf balls and we are going to mimic what happens in a watershed. It's gonna rain, and we're gonna be able to see the rain coming down, going into the watershed, and we'll also see pollution coming down and going into the watershed. At the base of this watershed, we have a bucket, which is representative of of Chesapeake Bay, or any other body of water. So my lovely assistant, Kala, will you go to that side over there, please?
No,
and
Dad,
start.
I'm doing this one.
Okay. Can you go? Okay, I'm gonna do the pollution, and my lovely assistant Kala is going to show us rain. So let's say, on your mark, get set, go. Oh, it's raining, and there's pollution. So we can see where the pollution is going. We can see where the there we go. There we go. So that's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So we can see that we have leftover chalk. Some of the leftover chalk, as you see here, here's some of the chalk showing where the pollution went, and you can see that all of the water and pollution all eventually made its way into the watershed. Now, this is Drew, Kala, hold on. This is just a real brief, super fast demonstration. What I would do with this is I would, of course, make it a little bit more fancy. This is something that I put together real quick, just again, trying to expedite things for purposes of this lab and the interview process. But I would probably do, a couple changes that I would probably do to this. I would probably add like liquid, maybe liquid on the golf balls or something along those lines. And I would, again, follow up with this afterwards, showing, asking kids to explain, what a watershed is and how to delineate a watershed and that kind of stuff. So anyways, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And thank you so much for your flexibility.